We're going to take a look at a Samsung 50-inch Crystal UHD, model number TU690T, and it's a 50-inch. We're going to open it up and then we're going to set it up on the wall. All right, well, it comes with your battery, your remote control, your power supply, and two small legs. But we're not going to need the accessories, or we're actually going to mount them, so we're not going to need the legs. We're just going to need the remote and the batteries. They're included. It's a Samsung. You can replace the remote. All right, it's easy. Samsung's replaceable remotes are very simple. All right, so here we're going to talk about a couple of things. All right, you got your power cord here. All right, and then you got USB. This is a 5 volt, so if you're going to charge things like LED lighting or anything that you have to do, a box or something, this is where you're going to plug it in. You have your optical cable. Right, this is an optical cable that a lot of stereo surround sounds have that connection. Your HDMI 2, and then you have HDMI 1 in here, and then you have your old analog antenna or cable box connection if you have that, or DirecTV. This is wireless, but if you don't want it wireless because the wireless is a little laggy sometimes, or the distance is a little bad, you can always wire it through a category 6, category 5 cable, a landline connection in here. Very simple, easy to use. Now, the power is a common Samsung power, is a 2-point connection, right? I believe there's 2 circular connections in there, right? So we have it mounted. We're going to mount it up today. It's very simple. It has the actual physical holes already set up, ready to mount. And we're going to set it up, and it has plenty of ventilation for the actual cooling of it. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you install it, make sure you do the updates first. That's very important. All right, and it's gonna about take 7 minutes, but if you're wireless, it's gonna take longer. Right now, if you guys can see, we are wired, so it says approximately 7 minutes, so it's a big update. All right, so we got a bunch of buttons here. If you go to Netflix, it will take you straight to Netflix. You guys can see, but you have to create your account or have an account. Prime, Amazon Prime, it's going to take you to Amazon Prime. Look how fast it takes you. Now, they do have a Samsung guide, and this one actually takes you, if you have multiple systems, like if you have a different accounts for different settings or different Samsung channels. There's even Hulu in here. You got a couple of other options here. You can program A, B, C for different accessories. Buttons, all sources. There's only 2 sources. There's only 2 HDMIs on here, so that's pretty much it. Quality of it, there's a little glare in it, but if you close your blinds, it's pretty good at dark. So easy to set up, very light, maybe under 30 pounds. Hope you guys enjoy the video.